this is the equipment I have. I have my Cisco router. I have my Cisco switch, our old family Netgear Nighthawk X6 router. We retired that Nighthawk from our old setup after just going with our ISP's gateway. With the gateway and the Nighthawk hooked up at the same time, it just led to too many networks and too much equipment on the shelf. It should make a nice access point though. My dad had an old NAS, Dad had network attached storage in the attic. Turns out it's a Netgear ReadyNAS Duo version 1. This is a decent NAS. This is decent storage to start out with. That will be an interesting video to make. That's it. Simple home lab and home media server setup, one room at a time. So many possibilities for the next videos. Got to draw some diagrams. I was able to pick out a rack. We got to get the rack put together. We got to rack and stack the Cisco equipment. Get some shelves going. Yeah, it should be a lot of fun. One room at a time. Just making this isolated home network.